Hey, what's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another case review. This time it's from I-Blason, and this is the Cosmo. Now, the Cosmo is a series that is a very colorful series. That's all I can say. So they got like nice pinks and light grays and things of that nature. This is it. This is the marble. Now, it mimics the marble, actual marble rock, bears that Cosmo branding. And ladies, I think you're going to rather enjoy this case. Let's get it open and see what it looks like on the new iPhone XR. Put the styrofoam up right here. Now, two separate pieces to this case. There we go. Let's move that back. We're going to drop this in. Now, these cases have been drop tested, so they're going to give you 10 feet of protection, which is awesome. And there we go. We got it snapped in. Now, you're going to lose your phone in there, but you get the nice colored backing. Camera is nice and out. Buttons on the side, nice and tactile. Buttons over here, awesome. Got all of our ports up top. Everything is open down bottom. So ladies, what do you think? Go by and check these out. I-Blason.com, or you can pick one up on Amazon.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link below in the description so that you can pick yourself up one of these. But I will be giving this particular case away. So be sure to leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Tell me which one of my videos you like the best, and this case could possibly be yours. Like I said, I'm giving away this Cosmo, the marble, and it could possibly be yours. Give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.